is it okay just to show up to an open house, or do I need an appointment when I show up? Like, is it frowned upon if I just show up like, hey, no one was expecting me, and ta-da, here I am?
Come
Because I
one,
get,
come all.
That's
Walk-ins
right.
are welcome.
oh yeah,
Yes.
Quick note on that, if you're having a successful open house, there's usually quite a few people already there. We invite people to come in. We'll usually have a sign on the door that says, welcome, come on in. We expect people to come in and not have to stand outside. The more the merrier for us. We do engage people pretty heavily in terms of conversation. And so if we're having a conversation and somebody's standing at the doorbell ringing it, we're not going to go answer the door. We're going to continue our conversation. The person in front of us is the most important person in our world. And so somebody can come in or wait outside, that's up to them. But if they read the sign on the door, they'll come on in and start looking at the home. And when we're done with the conversation, we'll happily go meet them.